Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Clash Royale password. For that, let's just open our Clash Royale app, and let me tell you, there is no traditional password system in Clash Royale. There is verification code, and that will let you log into your Clash Royale app. And I'll just show you how to log into your app. Let's just log out from here, and I'll show you how to log in. Just tap on login with Supercell ID, and if your account is saved in Supercell ID, just tap on that and you can get to log into your account. And if you haven't saved your account in Supercell, just tap on login with Supercell ID, and you need to enter your email address over there and then tap on send emails. I'll just show you by doing it. And then tap on send email button, and they will send you a verification code on your Gmail. Just go and check your Gmail. Let me just go back, and this is my login code. I'll just copy it and paste it on my Supercell ID and tap on submit button after entering your verification code, and tap on yes login, and that is how you can log into your Clash Royale game. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.